Everything starts with a seed. Ten years ago, we set out development on our own proprietary varieties and agricultural practices, producing the best extracts with complete traceability and reliability. Everything we do is based on honoring our earth, striving to make it a better place than we found it by using the latest technology and innovations. Our communities play a central role in what we do. We provide dignified job opportunities so that the area can develop and thus prevent migration and separation of families. We believe in inclusion and are committed to integrate all genders and people within our community. Our team also consists of visually impaired who play a big role in selecting the taste in our stevia. We partner with our clients with whom we share similar values. We're able to integrate the impact of their purchases and that of their clients as we celebrate the positive impact on our team, communities, and Earth. This is everything we stand for, and together we are able to achieve worldwide changes. Because with every seed, no matter how humble its beginning, we pave the way for a better tomorrow. Everything starts with a seed. Begin the journey with us.